Hi, this is Danny from Scott Country International. Just finished an evening's stalking, successful night, looking for roebucks. Welcome to the night vision show. Successful evening. Went out with the Helion 2 XQ50 spotter, and on the rifle I had my Thermion 2 XP50 Pro LRF. First time out stalking with it. Really useful having that LRF, especially because the deer round I use fluctuates over 100, 150, etc. It's not as steady as my varmint round, so essentially it was critical tonight to ensure I made a clean dispatch of my quarry. So I initially spotted a doe on the tree line. She was basically in the dead ground, just munching away, grazing. She's about 150, 160 meters. Spotted her with the XQ50, watched her for a little bit, put the rifle on her just to check the range and to get a feel for the ground again, because there's quite a lot of cover up, etc. And then watched her for a little bit, then moved on, not far, and then just sat and waited for about 5-10 minutes just to let the ground settle, and then spotted two bucks come out, a yearling and a more mature adult. So spotted them with the XQ50, watched them for a little bit, selected the yearling, leaving the buck. He's in good order for the rest of the rut. Put the LRF on it, 140 something meters, so I knew exactly where my point of aim was, so it was really good for that, and had a clean dispatch, and more importantly, getting the numbers from a cull down for the farmer. So successful night. Anyway, join us at the Northern Shooting Show this weekend coming, where these Helion 2 XQ50s, and more importantly the Thermion 2 XP50 Pro LRF, are all on sale, along with the largest range of thermal and night vision equipment at absolute unbeatable prices on show deals. So please come and see us at the Northern Shooting Show at Scott Country International. And this is Danny from Scott Country International, out.